Yo, what is good, YouTube, man? What is good with y'all, man? Look, it's another regular day. I'm back on the vlogs, you know what I'm saying? And I'm on my way to work. I gotta get there and I gotta get this. Yeah, today is it's an average day. I'm going into work at around like 1 o'clock, so it's pretty slow. I mean, like, it's pretty slow because I'm only gonna be in there from like 1 to 7. So I mean, I do have some haircuts to do today. It's really like, I don't think it's like any like crazy haircuts today. It might be, you never know, but I'm gonna record the haircuts for y'all, let y'all see them. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the video, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the shop. Peace. Okay, so YouTube, this is my boy Tim, and look, he was woofing for like, I want to say like 2 months. So this is 2 months of hair. I told him to take off the do-rag, and this is what he's working with. I don't really know, y'all rate it. It looked wild to me, but the cut turned out fire. So I'm in my head, I'm like, oh my. Y'all see that, boy? I said, dang, Tim, I ain't know you was spinning like that, man. I had to tell him, I had to give him his props, man. Leave a thumbs up. Look at that cut. Sheesh. Man, we back to the video. I'm gone. Yo, so I just did about 2 haircuts, and I got like 4 more to go today. And yeah, right now I'm about to go get some lunch, man. I'm a little hungry. Go get a salad and then probably a smoothie. I really want a smoothie, so I'm gonna go get a smoothie and a salad. I just want something cold, bro. It's really hot out here, so something cold would be nice and refreshing. So I'm about to go get that. I ain't gonna take y'all with me because I don't really like vlogging, like walking and stuff like that, unless I'm with other people. But I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna come back to the car and I'm about to crush this food. So y'all already know how my deal is, man. Y'all know my routine, bro. This ain't really nothing new, so yeah, I'm about to go get it right now. Man, look, YouTube, man, look, I ain't gonna get a smoothie, but I got some soft serve, mango soft serve. This junk right here be hitting. This junk like be honest with you, it's like a 10 out of 10. Because when you really be hungry, anything's a 10 out of 10. And then when you hot, it's hot as a mug in here. So this right here, 10 out of 10. This don't hit, respectfully. And then I got this this mango peach, little it's called kombucha. It's green tea, water juice. They got like little mangoes pops in. Let's try it. This don't hurt. I didn't know it was carbonated, fool. Oh, God. Alright, we good now. That joint almost blew up on me. I bet it's disgusting. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I like having these healthy stores because they help us live healthy. But then when you go and sell something like this, it look all good, you know what I'm saying? You think about all the sugar that's about to be in it. I know I read it. It don't even have no sugar in it for real, but it's like 12 grams of sugar. Like, it's perfectly healthy. But when you look at it, you like, oh, this look like it's gonna taste like an Izzy or something, you know what I'm saying? Something good, and then it just tastes like water. Sparkling water with like a hint of orange juice in it. It's like, bruh. That's why I just stick with this stuff, because you know you can't go wrong with this, bro. This stuff always it's gonna hold down. So y'all, just had a good lunch, so I'm about to go back in the shop and finish up the rest of the day. Cut these last couple of people, then I'm going home, man. So let's go back in the shop. So YouTube, this is the full day at the barbershop, man. I'm really kind of tired. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but you know, if you like any of them haircuts that you seen, leave me a thumbs up, man. This is just a regular day, regular stuff, man. I'm not really doing nothing too crazy, but if you like any of the haircuts, leave a thumbs up. And I'll talk to y'all on the next one, man. I'm going home and I'm gonna go get some rest, man. I'm a little tired, so I'll talk to y'all. Peace.